Are you ready for the challenge? Sorry for delay. I got sick in the beginning of February. I got a booster and I have to moving my stuff in a new place. And because of that, I only slept like 3 hours or 4 hours per day. And at some point, there is a day that I couldn't move my left hand from 3 a.m. until 3 p.m. because I forced myself too much, and then I took a break. So that's the reason why I just starting the challenge right now. I hope you don't mind, and let's get started. Computer science is the subject that studies what computer can do. Computer science applies the principle of mathematics, engineering, and logic to a plethora of functions, including algorithm formulations, software and hardware development, artificial intelligence, and animation. We're quoting the CPU as the brain of our computer. So this is our brain. This is the brain of our computer. The CPU does all the calculation and data processing. There are two basic forms computer storage, namely primary and secondary. Primary storage is usually called main memory. IC technology to provide random access memory or RAM, which is used to store software and data. Read-only memory or ROM to store materials such as instructions when the computer is turned on, and cache memory. We can see all of that here. Maybe in the next videos, or I don't know, few next videos, if you guys interest, I can show you how inside the our laptop. RAM is our computer short-term memory. That's why we call primary. We use this component when we want to storage data. When we want to storage anything in long-term memory, we use hard drive. Hard drive holds all of our data, which can include music, pictures, application. So this is the look of our hard drive. See, this is Windows C, which mean we save that in the system. But if we do partition, it's can make a separate hard drive. It's called C and D. Hard drive is to save our long-term memory. But if you guys see the same face like my laptop, please do partition. When I was studying computer science, I didn't know why we need to do partition. So basically, we split our hard disk to separate in the system and in our main storage. Why? Because when we have a malware, virus, or we want to reinstall all the data, the important data, it must be saved in external drive or hard disk or hard drive from the computer, which means not in the C. So because C means system, so we're supposed to save in the D. If we didn't do that, if we have a malware or if we have a blue screen, or we are in the condition that we're supposed to reinstall our computer, all the data is just gone. So yeah, please, if you still have the same like me today, please do partition. It's really important. That our computer can only communicate in binary using ones or zero. That's why we call binary number, and it's important for us as a programmer to understand and translate our human language like English, French, Spanish to machine language, which mean binary. We will learn furthermore. That's all for today. I hope you guys enjoy this video and get information about computer science. In the next video, I will explain more detail about binary numbers. You will need a pencil, paper, and calculator. We will translate human language into machine language. You will also need Notepad++ from your laptop to write a simple code. So make sure you are ready to prepare all of those in the next challenge, okay? And if you have any question or input, just write down the comment below. Or if you have a request to know something, just let me know. For example, like, Jessica, I want you to do the challenge about animation, how to make animation from Blender, Unity, or VR, AR. So if you want learn specific language programming, for example, I want to know JavaScript, I want to know Java, Jessica, can you make those to the challenge? Just put in the comment below or message me in the personal. And yeah,